High above, the skies come alive with nature's most breathtaking creations. Birds. From the fiery red of cardinals to the shimmering blue of kingfishers, each species is a masterpiece. Their flights inspire freedom, and their songs awaken the dawn. Yet their beauty hides a silent struggle as deforestation and climate change threaten their world. To protect these winged jewels is to protect the soul of the earth. Let them soar, sing, and remind us of the wonders we must cherish. Subscribe to the channel for more facts.